Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. Come on kids, let's learn the names of the color. And first you open colors. Wow, black color. Wow, kids now you open brown color. Brown color, nice color. Kids now you open blue color. Blue color. Blue color. Wow, very good kids. Light green color. Red color. Kids now you open yellow color. Yellow color, very good kids. Yellow color. Wow kids, green color. Dark green color. Red color, nice color. Orange color. Black color, very good kids. Black color. Yellow color. Sky blue color, very good kids. Light pink color. Wow, blue color. Purple color, nice kids. Purple color. Wow, brown color. And last one is light green color. Kids, now you draw A. The alphabets of A. And use sky blue color. Capital letters alphabets of A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Kids, now you draw B. The alphabets of B. And use red color. The alphabets of B. Kids, next one is C. And use light green color. C for cat. C for car. Kids, now you draw D. The alphabets of D. And use sky blue color. Kids, now you draw E. The alphabets of E. And use pink color. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F. F for fish. F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now you draw G. And use orange color. Very good kids. Orange color. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. The alphabets of H. And use yellow color. Very good kids. H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I for ice cream. Very good kids. I. Kids, now you draw J for joker. Very good kids. J. Kids, next one is K for kangaroo. Very good kids. K. Kids, now you draw L. Wow, L for lion. Kids, now you draw M for moon. M for mango. Very good kids. M. Kids, now you draw N for nose. N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now you draw O for orange. Wow, orange. Kids, now you draw P. The alphabets of P. Very good kids. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q. And use brown color. Q for queen. Very good kids. Q. Kids, now you draw R. Nice kids. R. Very good. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S for sun. Kids, sun. Kids, now you draw T for teacher. T for tiger. Very good kids. T. Kids, now you draw U. Wow, U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. And U is purple color. V for vanilla. Very good kids. V. Kids, now you draw W for whale. The alphabets of W. Kids, now you draw X for xylophone. Kids, now you draw Y. Very good kids. Y for yak. Wow, yak. Kids, now you draw Z. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Very good, kids. Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.